day to y'all. Today, we will be discussing all about food and beverage managers, their roles and responsibilities, and how does one apply or practice total quality management in the field of hospitality management.
Now, to start, let us know first, what is an F&B manager? A food and beverage manager develops all F&B and day-to-day operations while adhering to budgeted guidelines and maintaining excellent levels of internal and external customer service. Create exceptional menus, purchase goods, and make continuous improvements. One of the responsibilities is to identify customer needs and respond proactively to all of their concerns, while also leading the F&B team establish targets, KPIs, schedules, policies, and procedures by attracting, recruiting, training, and appraising competent people.
Now, with all these being said, what are exactly their roles and responsibilities in the hospitality industry? A role of a F&B manager specializes in forecasting, planning, and controlling food and beverage ordering for a hospitality property. He also supervises the finances associated with the entire process of purchasing food and beverages for the hotel premises. Purchasing includes the sourcing, ordering, and transportation of food and beverages. They direct, plan, and control all aspects of food and beverage services at restaurants, hotels, lounges, resorts, convention centers, clubs, and bars. Being a food and beverage manager is a good career choice for people who have strong sales and customer service skills, have experience working with budgets and handling cash and inventory, and have a strong leadership skills in order to manage staff. The potential career path for a food and beverage manager includes operations manager, general manager, and owner or operator.
To easily know all of their duties, here the tally of their exact roles and responsibilities in the hospitality industry.
First is they plan, forecast, and execute food and beverage orders. Process customer complaints patiently.
Plan alternative recipes for customers with special dietary needs. Check food and beverage supplies and place orders when needed.
One of the main duties of a food and beverage manager is to track and order shipments. Today's tech-savvy customers have high expectations when it comes to quality of the service. This expectation poses a massive challenge for enterprises, and this leads to failing to meet the customer's expectations. Food and beverage companies find it difficult to deal with the complexity of orders, which results in inaccurate orders. This is why it's crucial to every food and beverage manager to track shipments, and this could help the workflow going. Next is communicating and building strong relationships with vendors. It's very important to communicate and build strong relationships with vendors. This would enhance the overall efficiency of the business and ultimately increase the revenue along with establishing customer transparency. Communication is a key component in the food and beverage delivery. The lack of communication among the admin, delivery person, and customer can result in delivery failure.
They adhere to food, health, and safety standards. They manage the sanitary of the kitchen, whether it reaches the FDA sanitation standard. They also look up to the safety of the kitchen if there are any parts that needed to be fixed or taken care of. Most food and bev managers plan, oversee, and manage the members of staff. They take note on how they could improve their products and services they offer. This is why F&B managers are also tasked to hire and train new members or staff they acquire.
Oversee and supervise the welcoming of all customers who come and go in and out the establishment. Always strive towards an exceptional customer experience.
Now, we all know about what they do, but let's now learn about how does one apply the practices of TQM in his job. So, we all know that TQM is considered as a customer-focused process and aims for continual improvement of business operations. Like a food and beverage manager, it strives to ensure all associated employees to work toward the common goals of improving product or services quality, as well as improving the procedures that are in place for production. These practices can help organizations to identify change in the dynamic environment and to respond proactively through continuous improvement activity and operation functions to achieve the best performance.
Now, the food and beverage managers opt to provide and seek the following: leadership, strategic planning, customer focus, information and analysis, people management, process management, and lastly, product quality performance.
Having the position doesn't limit their role in charge of the in and outs of the food and beverage products from the company. The management company should consider TQM variables practices in improving product quality performance, such as leadership, strategic planning, customer focus and product management, and product quality. They also focus on their employees' improvement. This is why training, empowering, and guiding them are also part of the job. This is why we can consider that a food and beverage manager is like the backbone of all food and beverage businesses.
For all that we do, we should know why do we need TQM practices in this field. TQM allows you to adopt new techniques and technologies for food and beverage quality control that will effectively produce better products and services. TQM pushes the food and beverage businesses to be more productive, responsive, and adaptive. TQM will also help maintain existing demand of quality products and services and create new demand that will attract new customers, thereby increasing sales. And most importantly, TQM ensures quality that will improve and secure customer satisfaction by consistently meeting customers' expectations.
So, that's all you need to know about food and beverage managers. I hope you enjoyed our show and we hope to catch you all very soon. Thank you and goodbye.